How to update content with Elementor. Click on Pages and choose which page you want to update and click Edit with Elementor. After clicking Edit with Elementor, you'll then get redirected to the Elementor Builder, wherein you get to easily update the content. There you go. So click on the content or element that you want to update and you can directly edit from there. You can click anywhere to automatically save the content, or you can go to the text editor, edit the content, and then click on update to save the changes that you've made. You can also preview it. So there you go. That's how you update the content in Elementor.